Who is ready for Chioma and Davido owanbe wedding? I am super ready. The only thing is that I don't have invitation. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to tie your beautiful Tuesday owanbe gele. In case if you are going for a Davido and Chioma's wedding, this time we enter this party, I am telling you. And guess what, it is super easy. So I take my gele from front to back, and I just make some few plates, like 1 2 3 plates, and I just roll the one of the hand in that manner. See the way I roll it, and then the other side, I just decided not to roll it, and I didn't do anything with it. I just bring it up. You can roll it as well, make it your own, do whatever you want with this, but I want it to be more volume on that side, so I did not roll it on that side. I only roll it on one side, and then I open up the flare, and then I'm going to be pinning it down. If yours can be tucked in, you might not need to pin down, but for more security, for more peace of mind, always try and reinforce with a pin. That way when you are dancing at the videos and Chioma's wedding, your gele is not falling apart. Okay guys, so whatever you do to the left side, to the right side, you have to do it to the left side. So I just go ahead and pin down the right side as well. Hi guys, you have your very simple and beautiful Tuesday owanbe gele. What do you think about this very style? So I will tag this as my style number 1. What are your thoughts about this style? It is super easy, and in my personal opinion, I think it looks good, and you can rock this to Chioma and Davido's wedding today. Just in case if you are going, this style go enter. All right guys, so let's take off this tie and try to do something different. But to the back is giving, I swear. The back of this my Headwrap is giving, I swear. I am telling you, it is so simple. And see, we tied this girl in less than 2 minutes to tell you how simple it is. We did not fast forward this video. It went on a normal speed, and it hasn't been edited. It's just raw for you to see how fast it is for you to achieve this beautiful head wrap. And I'm just going to remove the pin so that we can walk around it and see which other style we can achieve to go to this elegant event party. And guys, I remove the pin, and then I bring it up just to kind of like reduce the length and try to form like a ruffle at the top. And I just pin the pinnables, and that's it. It's as simple as that as well. So all I do here is I use my pin to secure it, just to get that extra confidence, extra layer, and that's it. And this is my style number 2. You can attach a brooch for more elegancy. Let me know in the comment section, is it going to be style 1, style 2, or do you want me to show you another style? So these two styles, I mean, can you just believe how easy it is? And you can actually rock this to the owanbe party and look super amazing. And that's it. So for the third style, of course, we're going to take off the first style and be able to show you the third style. So all I do is just remove the pin and move the flares around, and see the way I pin it down. And just for fun, we have another style that you can rock to your next event party. And guys, that's it. I hope you gain value. I hope you understand this simple tutorial. If you have a question, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I appreciate you all. God bless you. And don't forget to share this video with your loved one, especially those of you that have sisters in diaspora and they keep struggling with how to tie gele on themselves. Ask them to watch this video or share this video with them.